welcome to another episode of, oh man, my check engine light's on again. So we've got the blue driver, and it says here, unplug the sensor if already plugged in. Turn the ignition to on, but don't start the vehicle or push the start button. Push the start button. Oh. Press for 5 to 10 seconds. Plug the sensor into the... Alright. It's been a while since I did this damn thing. So, on. It says searching for a sensor. Got a connection. Done. Alright, so with my blue driver connected, read codes. It's currently reading. 3 codes found. Keep your save scans. But you entered the following on... Oh, yeah, so this is a while ago. Okay, so we got 3 confirmed codes. They're all P0456 Evap system small leak. Alrighty. Well, an Evap system small leak isn't that big of a deal, I don't think. You can drive your vehicle for several months with that leak. The only problem is it might affect your fuel economy. It might affect your vehicle performance just a little bit. You might notice acceleration is pretty shitty. There's 4 possible, or a minimum of 4 possible things that you can check and change yourself. I could go to the dealership, pay them $175 for them to simply diagnose the problem, or I can just swap the parts myself. The first 2 are the gas cap. So you have a seal here that if it's dry, cracked, or brittle, you can swap out the seal. And then there's the valve to the gas cap. Now this one's relatively new, so I'm not going to bother changing this one, as I know that the previous owner has done. Now there's a third possibility. There is a actuator controlled valve right next to the gas tank. It looks like this. I don't believe that this is the issue on my vehicle, but considering that it's got over 73,000 miles, I'm going to swap it out anyway. The kit comes with a replacement gasket seal, which, well, I might as well use it. But in order to get to mine, though, I need to drop the spare tire. Okay, so for this one, there is a plug here. We're simply going to squeeze that, pull the cable off. Right, and you can clearly see here that it's just a squeeze, and it releases. And so you pull that off, then you want to take this thing, and I forget which way to go. Rotate it. Which way? Oh, you want to be stuck on there now. Off. Okay, and then wait, did I just break that thing? I hope I didn't break it. I didn't break it. Okay, good. Then you gotta take this hose off, which I'm just pushing it off with my finger now. It's on there pretty good. Okay, so that's that one. Drop my other one. And there is a seal right here. This one looks completely different from the one I have that the replacement comes with. Actually, this one looks like it's pretty good. Like I said, I don't suspect that this is where the problem is. Yeah, this one looks really nice. I don't see any cracks on it. Will this one fit in there? Yeah, that's going to be a real tight seal. Well, I might as well try and use the new one. So let's give it a shot. Okay. Sorry, bumping the camera. I'm actually on a hill here. I'm fighting the hill. So this has to line up like this. Okay. My sword is falling out of my hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this cap off, put the hose back, and then plug the cable back in. Now, for you guys, your perspective is going to be like this. So you can see the plug there. Just give it a squeeze. Wait, are we in focus? Camera's so close to my face, I can't even see. Wait. Anyway, so yeah, there's a plug here. Squeeze this and push it out. That pops off. Rotate this thing till it comes off, pull the hose off, put the new one. Simple as that. If you like what you're seeing so far, click that like button so others can find the video. Alright, and the fourth possibility, which I believe is the most likely cause for the check engine light, would be the second valve. And this one, it goes in the engine bay. If you haven't done so and would like to support my channel, click the subscribe button and meet me in the next video. So this connector needs to go off. It's two little push tabs, and then that comes off. So you squeeze these two tabs and pull that out. It also has to pop forward out of this little plastic clip right here. And on the other side, this hose right here, I need to slide that off. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be reminded when I post more videos like this one. Kind of twisting it back and forth and pulling at the same time. Okay, so this hose is off. There is a rubber gasket here that's holding it on, but I can actually pop it out of that gasket, and then, oh wait, I forgot, there's a plug here. This plug needs to come off. So, how is it? So this plug, you have to squeeze to release. Okay, so that plug is off. See that? This plug is out. So now we can just slide hard out through that gasket. Twist it the right way. There we go. That's the whole assembly. And get out of my pocket. There we go. And then this is the replacement. So, as you can see, it comes with one of these things. So if you want to pull it off and swap that out, you can. I'm just gonna take this piece off and reuse the one that's already there. So let me fish that back through. Sorry, I know I'm smacking you guys around. Okay. And I want to make sure we seat it. Back in that rubber gasket. Don't forget to plug the cable back in. Okay. And then push the hose back on. All the way. And then on this side, all we got to do is make sure that we push the hose back into that plastic piece. Oh yeah. So this one I forgot to take off. This is a plug to keep dirt out of the plug. Then we can push the new one in there. It should be good to go. There we go. Now it's seated. Now, if you remember, there was 3 codes. They all had the same number, but one of them was listed as permanent. That code failed to clear. So I gave it 24 hours, went to work and back, and the code still didn't go away. Then I realized I could use the blue driver to reset that code, but I failed to record it. So what you're seeing here is the system scanning for codes and finding no codes. And then, of course, I set up to show that the dashboard also shows the check engine light off. Now you notice that I showed 2 purchase points for the part that goes in the engine bay. One's from Amazon and one's from O'Reilly. The big difference not only is in the price, but what you get with it. The reason that I bought the O'Reilly one was because I couldn't get that hard plastic tube off the original part. And the one that came from Amazon, the plug that would go into that hard plastic tube was smaller. So I recommend going with the O'Reilly one.